So this is my 2018 Ford F150, 6 months old, less than 15,000 kilometers. And the running boards are oxidizing terribly right now. They're easy to pop off with a scraper. Just grab one end, pop them up. Ford says this is because I have not been maintaining my truck and I haven't cleaned it properly. So here's soapy water. This staining of the aluminum will not come off. I have to use a metal polish. Ford recommends a metal polish. They recommend taping all of the black off and do the grooves with their metal polish, which is going to leave a white residue on all of the black trim. Okay, stop. So I'm from the trucking industry. Autosol's used a lot in polishing fuel tanks on trucks. So this, by hand, comes off. But now I have smooth surface. I'm going to use a slow speed buffer to clean all of the aluminum and then wash these in a separate pail of soapy water and it will look perfect. All right. Caps, are you done?
Yeah.
These end caps are held on with one bolt, 10mm socket on the back side. They slide a little bit and then they lift off. Real simple. I'm going to wash this separate, polish all of it at the same time, and I'm going to use Colonite metal wax to seal it after. Good. So with the door open, I have full access to the entire running board. I'm going to get the metal polish everywhere, and then with a slow speed buffer, I could save a lot of work. Stop. So I have 3,000 grit sandpaper here. I'm just going to give it a light scuff to get the really bad oxidation off. By the way, Ford in their sales literature says the running boards are chrome. That's why I bought them. These are not chrome. These are unprotected plain aluminum. And that is not right. Starting to look a lot better. More work and that'll be done. It's a lot easier than trying to polish in between each individual tread. Okay, good. I wash these plastic treads separately. They simply snap into place. Real simple. That's all there is to it. So here we are, all reassembled. Only took a few minutes, as opposed to hours. The two polish products that I used were Autosol metal polish, Colonite 850 metal wax. I also used a 3M 3000 grit sandpaper pad. These you can get at Part Source in Canada for around $10, but they last a really long time if you keep them wet with soapy water.